Hey everyone, this is Jenny Street with Confessions of a Hairstylist, and I'm so excited because I'm going to do something a little bit different. So Kenra is releasing their brand new product called Texture Wax. This is a texture defining mousse 10. It is amazing. So I'm going to show you guys how to use it properly on my model here. Now she has this gorgeous bob length to her hair, some fun color by my girl Taylor Mason, and I just want to show you guys how to easily use it and make it really spreadable and create a really fun look. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so for this look, you want to first start off with your hair being damp. I prefer towel dried. Lightly spray the Kenra Platinum Texturizing Mist 6 all over from mid-length to the ends. Now you just want to go ahead and blow dry the hair, and you want to really concentrate on picking up the roots and adding a lot of volume at the root area. You can see that the product gave her hair a lot of texture, a lot of volume. So all I'm going to do now is just add a teeny bit of bend with my flat iron just to kind of give it a disheveled feel, and then we're going to actually finish it off with our texture wax. Using the flat iron, what I like to do is clamp down at the mid shaft and just kind of pull it through, leaving the ends out. This is really, really popular right now for disheveled bobs. Okay, so to create lots of texture to her hair, I'm gonna use the texture wax. So this is kind of like a foam-like texture, like a mousse. You just wanna dispense a little bit in the palms of your hands, and then you just wanna rub it in your palms and then apply all over. This is gonna create a lot of separation. We're gonna really concentrate on that mohawk section, that being the top, and you can see that it's added a lot of texture to her hair. Okay, so you can see that the texture wax defining mousse definitely gave her hair a lot of texture, and it kind of gave it that kind of almost grungy kind of feel. So I just love this stuff. It's an amazing product, and I know you guys will love it too. So please feel free to subscribe to my channel and check me out on Instagram at The Confessions of a Hairstylist, and I'll see you soon.